If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else, yeah, you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by gorgeous Gabby, who's going to be my beautiful model, and Jessie, who's behind the camera. And we're going to be showing you how to take golden looking photos. It's going to be a swimmer photo shoot with some accessories, and it's going to be shot close to golden hour. Before we get into this video, make sure to check out Gabby and Jessie. They're going to be linked in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button so don't miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video.
Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry.
Okay, so I'm here with Gabby. This is our first look. We're shooting backlit. The light is coming from down there. We have this nice little look with a little skirt. Beautiful. Yes. Love that. So I just need to change my focus. Beautiful. Love that. That's perfect. Beautiful. Mention up again. Thank you. Beautiful.
Tell me, do you think we're ever gonna make it? Tell me, does it feel you're about to let me go? Let me go.
When we planned this shoot, I wanted to shoot in this particular location because I really liked the houses and the water, and I thought it looked really pretty. But when we actually got there and we got into the first look, I just wasn't really that wowed by the location. The light was a bit harsh. It was kind of hard to get the shots the way I wanted them. So I decided to change Gabby into her second outfit, which was like this nude bikini with this white see-through dress overall. And when I took some photos against the rock that was in there, I just really loved that look, that color matching look that I go for a lot. And I just really loved how it was showing on camera with her skin, with her blonde hair. I just thought it looked really beautiful. So I decided to just grab all our stuff and change locations, and it was a bit annoying because we had to drive around to find it in the first place. But when we got to the second location, it was so beautiful. I loved it so much, and I think it elevated the shoot so much more. As always, I edited my photos using my new tropical pack. Today I settled for number 1+. I just thought that it needed a bit more brightness, so that's the color that I went for, as you see here, tropical 1. And I decided to change the blue into being a bit more turquoise, so I just pushed it back a tiny bit here, and I lowered down the saturation ever so slightly and made it a bit darker as well. And as you see, here is a before and after, just one click. If you like how my images look and you like how I color grade them, make sure to check out my preset packs. I have 2 new out, light medium and medium dark. They are available on my website anitasadowska.eu, and you can get a little discount code in the description below. Make sure to check them out. And now let's get back into the video.
If you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe.
So we changed this location. It was a bit of a pain to just have to move everything around. We drove for like 20 minutes, but I really wanted the rocks because I feel like her styling just fits so well with that whole theme. So we're just shooting some rock images because the styling that we chose is just perfect for them. I'm kind of thinking, what if you sat on this one here, lower down, and then kind of again like sitting on a bit of on your bum, kind of like you did with the other ones. Yeah. And can you try and look at me? Beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. Oh, I love this.
I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say.
Okay, so this is our final look. We have this beautiful gold dress on Gabby. I think it looks amazing. For this one, I just really want to capture the rocks here and just like the rocks around her. Trying not to die in the water. I'm shooting quite wide, and then I'm gonna come closer. Beautiful. I think if you like lean against the rock a tiny bit, that would be really cool. Try that. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. And like maybe kind of like, yes. Oh yes, love that. Maybe the head the other way, if that's okay. Yes. Maybe have your head down for one. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful.
Your lips will let me go for long now. Damn,
makes such a difference to just cover your model in oil. I know it's cold and annoying, but it looks so much better. Beautiful. Yes. You can maybe have a feel with like your eyes closed. Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Yes. Yes, perfect. Beautiful. Perfect. Nice. Okay guys, this is for today. Thank you so much, Gabby, for being my beautiful model, and thank you so much, Jessie, for filming. I hope you guys liked the photos. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you did like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the little bell button, and I'll see you in the next one.